Video will show you how to open your dish tray if it's broken, if it's sticking. Like you can see, hold on, let me show you on the actual dash screen. This might look scary how you fix it, but it actually works. You get a butter knife or some type of knife that can actually is skinny enough to fit in the dish tray. You put it, I don't know if you can see that, as you can see right there, and you'll see a little spot inside of the dish tray, and what you want to do is push it and make sure you get it far enough in there. And hold on, see if I can actually show it to you. You're going to want to actually, when you get on there, tap it in just a little bit, press the button, and then pull out. Opens up fine. If this helped you, like the video. Thank you.